Hi guys, this is Kevin with a video lesson about hotkeys. The reason I make this video lesson is because I see the question a lot on the internet. I also get the question. As a day trader, it's very important that you use hotkeys. If you need to put on your orders manually by hand, you are too slow. Especially on the low float runners, it's almost impossible to not work without hotkeys. So if you want to learn more about hotkeys and you want to know how to set them up, just keep watching this video and I will explain everything to you. So in this example, I'm using Suretrader. So most day traders, especially with a small account, which less than 25,000 US, most people use Suretrader because there is no pattern day trade rule. So in this case, we're going to use Suretrader. You go to setup, hotkeys, and you see that I already have some hotkeys. You just press simply add new item and we give it a name. Suppose we're going to buy 1,000 shares, limit order. The hotkey you like to use, let's suppose we do shift to script. The most easy way is to use the order script wizard. Yeah, then you don't need to kind of program anything yourself. You just give the values and it will generate a script. The side, we obviously on the buy side right now. The shares is like the amount of shares you want to buy. Let's say we do the 1,000 shares. Symbol, you can just keep it empty. The symbol is the current ticker you're selecting. Yeah. Price, as a day trader, if you want to catch the quick movers, you buy on the ask +1. It's almost guarantee a fail for you. Limit the account, select most people just has one account. You select your account. The route is limit. Don't use market orders. Never use market orders. Only use market orders if you're in a kind of panic situation, your brain is freeze, you don't know what to do. You press the escape button and you use a market order. But in this case, we don't do that. We use limit orders. Plus day one of day plus. I'm sorry. Everything can remain. Brief is not needed. Mode is load and send, and minimum is no need. Once you set up those settings, the only thing you have to do is build script and commit. And once you commit, it will appear in your hotkeys. You can see the route is limit, the price ask on the ask +1 cent, 1,000 shares, and the account and send. That's it. So the only thing you have to do once you want to enter a position, the only thing you do is shift to and it will execute 1,000 shares on the selected ticker. Of course, we also want to know like how to sell, because we want to go quickly in and out trades. So in this case, we also explain you like how to set up a sell hotkey. Let's say sell hotkey. And we use the shift 3 for that. Use order wizard, and in this case we are on the sell side. The shares, we select position. Yeah, so the position you're currently in, let's say in the previous hotkey we just generated is we have 1,000 shares. In this case we want to sell our 1,000 shares, so we would just do position. See a typo here, by the way, hotkey. Okay, symbol, no need, it's just a selected one, and we sell on the bid, and we do the bid +1. This almost guarantees a position or a trade. Account and the route, of course, limit again. Mode, load and sell, and that's it. So we have a buy order or a buy hotkey, and we have a sell hotkey. This makes you in and out on the trades very, very quickly. This is what you need as a day trader. Commit. Of course, there are also other options. If you can, for example, you're in a trade's going fine, but you want to lock in profits, but you only want to sell 50% of your current shares. You do like sell shares, you do position 50%, it only will sell 50% of your current shares. So you can play around with this, with those hotkeys. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if there are any more questions down below in the comments, and let's see you guys in the next video.